Okay, Matd1534, 9.5 in Unit 9 on the absolute values, and we're busy sketching the graphs. So we are going to do A. So A is the absolute value of 3x minus 6. 3x minus 6. Okay, so if we look now at, remember there's now plus 0 basically. So if we now look at the salient point or the vertex, it will be 2, 0, because 2 will make the inside 0 and that 0 will be 0 there. Okay, and then the x-intercepts will also now be at 2, 0. So my y-intercept will be when I make x 0. So that will be y is the absolute value of 3 times 0 minus 6. And then that gives the absolute value of minus 6. But remember that the absolute value of minus 6 will be 6. Okay, so if we draw the graph now, all right, let's do it in black. Okay, sorry, just move it up again. Okay, so my salient point is, just want to move it a little bit to the left that everybody could just see. Okay, so my salient point is now 2, 0, 2, 0, so it's at 2 there, and it's going through 6 here on the y-axis. So basically, we can draw that line there. This doesn't always want to do it as I want it, but let us see if it will do it today. Sometimes it's running around here a little bit. There it is. So there's the, as you know, it moved a bit again here. Let me just see if I can just click it again, move it there. Okay, and move it there a bit. Okay, I think that's fine, good enough. And then we also have the other arm. Now what I will do is, I will say to myself, okay, so my distance here is 2. So I'm going to go another 2. I will go to 4 here. And then 4, 6 will be the other point on my graph there. 4, 6. And then I'm going to draw the next arm through the 4, 6. Okay, let's try. Just bring it there. Move it there a little bit, that it goes through the 4, 6. Okay, and there's my absolute value. There is my absolute value graph. Now, very, very important. When you do this absolute value graphs for us, you must indicate the 2 arms. So you must be able to find the 2 arms here. Now, there's plenty of ways to do that. You can do normal mx plus c and work out the equation of that line, normal mx plus c and work out the equation of that line, you know, with a gradient, and then substitute to get your c. We have done the straight lines already. You see, we've done all the pre-knowledge, but you can also write the piecewise function. So this will be the positive arm if x is greater and equal to the vertex we said. And it will be the negative arm, in other words, negative the inside. Remember, that will then be plus 6. And that's the plus 6 that you find there now, you see. This minus 6 here is not going to play a role because the graph is not going to come down here because it can only be greater than 2. If you understand the piecewise, you will understand this now. So here at 2, I can only draw that line to the right of 2. And I can only draw this line to the left of 2. If you really did your job in your piecewise, this will not be for you anything funny. So this will be then y is 3x, this is y is 3x minus 6, and that will be then y is minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so that is then the graph of y is absolute value 3x minus 6, number A here. I will now do the number C that I've indicated there.